Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you easy-to-make ginger tea recipes. Ginger is a popular spice. It is high in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in patients with type 2 diabetes. Ginger appears to speed up emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for people with indigestion and related stomach discomfort. In addition, ginger can be effective in reducing the day-to-day progression of muscle pain and may reduce exercise-induced muscle soreness. This tea contains hibiscus flowers, which are rich in vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants, and helps in the treatment of hypertension and anxiety. The health benefits of hibiscus include its ability to treat high blood pressure and high cholesterol, disturb digestive and immune system, inflammatory problems and liver diseases, as well as cancer. It can also speed up the metabolism and help in healthy gradual weight loss. This elderberry ginger tea is perfect for keeping you warm on a chilly day. You can create this nurturing, appealing ginger tea with warming herbs in no time. Elderberries are rich in flavonoids and anthocyanins, which are highly bioactive antioxidants that help the body absorb vitamin C, which is essential for immune function and processes like collagen synthesis. They also have immunomodulatory effects, which supports immune function and supports a healthy inflammatory response. This delicious tea will create an inner warmth to help you survive cold, gloomy days. It is a good all-round tonic. Licorice is particularly helpful in treating upper and lower respiratory conditions. Ginger is warming and soothing to the chest and stomach. Yarrow, like ginger, acts as a diaphoretic, which brings on a sweat, and is a decongestant with strong anti-allergenic properties. However, licorice should be avoided if you have high blood pressure, and yarrow should be avoided during pregnancy. Ginger is among the healthiest and most delicious spices on the planet. I hope that you enjoy these tea recipes. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.